What's up everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to install these headlights. These are the genuine Amazon headlights. They're fairly new, they just came out. I checked the comments right now and a lot of people are having a lot of trouble getting these installed on their truck. So today, with the help of Fern's Garage.
What up guys, it's Fern with Fern Garage. We're gonna knock these out. Quick tip, little connector, you'll see it in the video, do not use, it will throw off your wiring. Had a hard time. It was a struggle. It took almost 35 minutes.
But he got it done.
He
got it knocked out.
Obviously, see, they look beautiful. It's a cheap, easy mod. Not only that, but it's a little bit of modern.
Amazon special.
Yep, Amazon special. Honestly, I don't care what people say about Amazon and eBay. If
He's got him on his
build,
Ram.
This build's a 2002 Ram. Honestly, it looks beautiful. Amazon and eBay special. There's nothing wrong with that.
They have those other headlights.
Alpha
Rex.
Be in a future video on these two builds. We might get some Alpha Rex. If that's something you want to see, like it up, subscribe. It motivates us to show you how easy it is to do. Because I know a lot of us, we like to watch other people do it on YouTube just before we do it. Yeah. Of course, we take gambles when we do this stuff. We want to have a good time. Good time on a budget. Yeah. That's the whole point of these videos.
It looks good.
Exactly. Have a good time. Make your stuff look good
and learn something new.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Of course, mine, I have a different setup. I have the Amazon special running lights. Easy.
Go check out his YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a walk around. I'll show you where I got these lights. I mean, it's nothing crazy. Little by little, we're gonna get that one looking right, shining bright,
like a diamond.
Shining. Anywho, I'm gonna let you get back to watching his videos. If you like, comment, subscribe on his. Be sure to kind of head over to mine. Mine's Fern Garage. Like, comment, subscribe on there as well. I have a few videos on there. I will be doing more. I got a couple other builds in the back that we're gonna pop out. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it saves you some time. Well, I'll see you on the next one.
So here's our Amazon special package that we got. It's genuine headlights. They are sequentials. So we're going to smack these bad boys on and see how it looks. So this is the bigger box, and the bigger box contains the top of the headlight. And it also has these little inserts that go inside the headlights to prevent water from leaking in. Now for the bottom headlights, it comes with a quick connect. It's a red wire. Now before we start cutting these things up, we're going to remove the headlights. With the top pin, we just slide it out and we pull the headlight out. Take off all the headlight wires and the bulbs and all that. Same thing goes for the bottoms. Just pull the headlight off and the headlight bulbs. Alright, so now we're going to install it, and that quick connect it came with, we're going to be splicing that red wire. The red and the white to the brown,
yeah, and
then the yellows to the blue, and then you got your black to the ground.
Yeah,
that's it. You don't use this.
Use your ground to your headlight, not your turn.
That boy kept a lot. This is my talk. That boy kept a lot. This is my talk. That boy kept a lot. That's my talk.
That's the ground. You could do ground either one. It doesn't matter. So I want to make sure. No, this is the headlight part.
Just like that.
I miss who you was, but you different. I miss who you was, but you different. Yeah, I miss who you was, but you different. I miss who you was, but you different. That's the kind of chick. Jotty pimpin', black on black, but pure ass heart. Your hoe say that I'm different. Back to back, I play my part, and the hoe gon' tell me different. Back to rest, I spill my heart, and you still ain't wanna listen. I miss who you was, but you different. Bless up, count my chicken. G-Lock steady pimpin'. Just our life, I'm poppin' shit. Lean this shit, you ready? Leave boys off, I'm watching shit. Oh girl, coppin', talkin' shit. The fake gon' show, not stoppin'. It the fake, let me wait, not jogging. It cold hard, cut the disease. I've been in my bag a lot, no stress, I deal with ease. You would like to talk a lot, could tell, competed with me. Hey, whoa. I miss who you was, but you different. Whoa, whoa. I miss who you was, but you different. Yeah, I miss who you was, but you different. Hey, I miss who you was, but you different.
This help you? Like, comment, subscribe.
Life I'm poppin' shit. I miss my little bougie bitch. We always on some toxic shit. My love been stuck on E, but I